segment Clown Action.
We're going to start by pumping up your 260 pale blue balloon and tie a knot. And we're also going to pump up our brown 260 balloon and also tie a knot. Now we're going to use the pale blue balloon and make a pinch twist. Now we're also going to pump up our 260 ivory balloon. Feel free to use a scrap because we're only using a small bit. And tie a knot. We're going to attach the ivory balloon onto the pinch twist of the pale blue balloon. And we're also going to attach the brown balloon to the pinch twist of the pale blue balloon. Next, we're going to use the brown balloon to make an 8 cm bubble, and we're going to tie it to the ivory balloon and try to make sure that they're the same size. So make an 8 cm bubble also on the ivory balloon. Next, we're going to use the pale blue balloon and we're going to make 2 4 cm bubbles. And then we're also going to make a pinch twist. Now, we're going to twist the brown balloon and the ivory balloon to the pinch twist of the pale blue balloon. So as you can see now, there's feet. Now we're going to use the brown balloon to make another 8 cm bubble, and we're going to tie it back to the other pinch twist on the other side. And you can cut off the rest of the brown balloon and tie a knot. Now we're going to use the pale blue balloon to make an 8 cm bubble. But make sure this is in between one of the ivory balloons and one of the brown balloons. You can now cut off the rest and tie a knot. Make sure all your knots are tight and secure on each of the pinch twists. Hide the knots inside the bubbles. And especially the ivory balloon with a really long tail, you can stretch it across the other pinch twist and tie a knot, wrap it around, and then cut it off. Feel free to squish up your balloon until it's to your desired shape. So as you can see, we have the sides of the body, we have the feet, we have the front of the shell, we have the head, and we also have the back of the shell. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to use a black marker. And we're going to start with one of the eyes. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a long upside down U, followed by a little curve at the bottom to close it off. Make a C, and then make a smaller C for the middle of the eyes. And we're going to repeat the same thing, but make sure that the C's are mirrored. And then we're going to draw 2 little strokes for the eyebrows, 2 little dots for the nose, and a large wide smile. Now to draw the pattern on the front of Squirtle's body, we're going to start by drawing a curve on the top of the ivory balloon, and then from the middle we're going to draw a cross. We're going to draw 2 strokes that are sort of like a triangle but without the bottom, and we're also going to do 2 more strokes on the side of the crosses. Feel free to look up a reference if you need to. Next, we're going to use a red marker and color in the eyes. And lastly, we're going to use a white marker to color in the highlights and the eye whites. Isn't it so easy? And your Balloon Squirtle is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Squirtle. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.